I don't know how well it's gonna do, but
here's this truck. It's got green block. You can't see it. He thinks it's a great truck. I think it's a piece of crap, but it starts better than mine, so he's got something going there. Oh yeah, green headers. We rigged up some lights.
well, we spent 6 hours on a night.
Yeah, 6 hours. I don't think they can hear us over it, but
It's cold out here.
when you're not doing nothing. Get in there, give her a good rip. Is it straight piped?
Yeah, straight piped headers. Straight all the way back from right up from the headers all the way back is straight.
He's got a cool steering wheel.
Got the GT racing. I don't know if that's it or not. I didn't put it in. We got our light control up here. You know, so, you know. Sometimes that red light don't turn on. But
Let's go inside because it's cold.
Let's go inside. Well, the heater works good. At least, you know, it blows cold air at first, but then, you know.
Why is it every time I walk outside I gotta pay?
That light don't
Okay,
ever... Don't
before I run
work.
out of space.
See you guys later.
Yeah, alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time.